Hey, today I am going to show you how to claim your free 1-month Nitro from Epic Games on your phone. Enable desktop mode on your phone's browser. I preferably use Google Chrome for this. Now just go to this Epic Games website and do exactly what we did in the last video on PC. In the search bar, type Discord Nitro. You will find free 1-month Nitro here. Just click that. Just add your birth date here, and then sign in. You will come to this page. Now go to the blue Get button and click Continue with Browser. There we go. Your free Nitro will arrive in your email in 20 to 30 minutes. It requires payment method though, like card or PayPal. Make sure your bank balance is minimum $10 because Discord charges $1 as temporary payment to check if you are not totally broke. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you.